What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Now I'm going to show you guys how to get paid with DistroKid, how much I get paid, and how you can start making money without even releasing some music. So let's get right into it. So I have these two songs here. I don't really distribute songs. I don't really put out songs on like Spotify and all that, but I did these two, and these are nice stats here. So I'm gonna show you guys not that much. The last 365 days is 173. Pretty sad, but again, I don't really put out anything. And let's see. So we're gonna get into. Of course, you guys know that you can make money off of your streams, and as you can see, 173 doesn't really make as much in the last year, but I did make some money. And first off, I'm gonna show you how I made some money without even using my music. Basically, I used a affiliate link or DistroKid's referral program. So every time I do a DistroKid video or in any of my videos, the description, I have an affiliate link. You guys can get 7% off discount, and I will make $10 every single time. And this is for new members that haven't signed up yet. So if you were to sign up with DistroKid, you can automatically do this same thing, referrals. You guys can give out 7% discount. Basically, just wherever you can put your link, you do videos, Instagram, put in your bio, have it clickable, and you can make $10 every time someone signs up. So basically, I did 8 signups and I got $45. So 8 times 10 is 80, and that's not 80. So basically, what they did was in the beginning it was only $5 to sign up, and just last year at the lead they decided, hey, we're gonna make this go to $10 instead. So I had a couple signups at around $10, and the rest was like not $8, $5. So if you sign up now it's $10 per sign up, which is great. And then little, if you do YouTube, put this link in every single video description, and especially when you talk about it, put it on your screen. You guys can make some money off of that. So I had 1,000 clicks right there. So if I had 1,000 people click on it and buy it, that would have been like 10 grand right there. So let's see. We're gonna go into my bank, and I'll show you exactly how much I made and how you guys can take this out. So, further ado, $48.24. Not too much, and majority of that coming from the referral program. So, as you guys can see, Apple Music 37 cents, Spotify $2.81, and YouTube ads was about 4 cents. And I don't think I need anything else except for the referral program. So, um, yeah, that referral program can actually be good, and you can try to make a lot of money if you were to promote it and all that. But I haven't done any withdrawals, so this is from the time I posted up my first video or first song in 2020. So as you guys can see, no marketing, no nothing. $48.24, and I think I'm about ready. So of course, when you're gonna withdraw, there are some fees here. I'm not too sure if it's included already or it's gonna be included, but what you need to do here is before you do anything, there's a place right here that says payment method. Click on that, and it'll take you to sign up and fill out your taxes forms and how you're gonna get paid. So right there, look just like this. You can do direct deposit, PayPal, wire transfer, or a physical check. So I decided to opt in for the PayPal. And when we click on withdraw earnings, funds will be sent to the payment. So I did PayPal and allow a few days of payment to process. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on continue. Please wait. Done. withdrawal initiated, takes a few business days, and I should be having this in my PayPal probably this week. So that is how you take money out of your DistroKid. That is how you can make some money, even if you didn't put out, a bunch of music as myself. If you do put out a lot of music, that's great. Make more. And if you do YouTube, you guys can also make money by basically talking about DistroKid. So hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like. If you guys haven't signed up for DistroKid and you guys are thinking about it, of course, go ahead, use my link. It definitely help me out. You guys get 7% off new memberships, and then you guys can go into the referral program and make some money there. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.